Guys, welcome back to Car Spec Garage. Today we received the interior or the seats for the 67 Giulia Sprint GT. Let's take a look. All right, guys, now they're just sitting in here. Carpet's not in, dash is not in, but here you go. Now, these are the seat covers from Classic Alfa. Everything is, they just look absolutely amazing. They did such a good job. Tons of more padding, all new paddings in them. And of course, these are the vinyl from Classic Alfa. Trying to get that thing set in there right, and just super cool. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. There you go. So you can see, I think they did a great job. This is the upholstery guy that did my 83 Alfa as well. So I am completely pleased with it. Kind of give you a good view here. I think looks good. And let's walk around to the front. Excuse me from moving around through everything, but of course the rails aren't in, nothing's in. They're just sitting here right now. So this is where they're at, but just to give you a good look. Looks great. Got the seats in right here. They're locked in place here. I got to figure out how to install them. We'll figure it out though. Anyway, so I am super pleased with them. I think they just turned out really nice. Anyway, just want to do a really quick short video, show you the seats are here, all new vinyl, all new padding, everything is perfect. All right, guys, so there you have it. I can't be any more happier, any more pleased with the outcome of the seat, especially with all the new foam and everything. They just built it from scratch. Can't get the foam for these seats for some reason, so all new foam in the seats as well. So looking forward to getting the headliner put in very soon, and then from there we'll start putting everything else back on the car. The cars will start getting put together. Motor, order the parts for the motor. They'll be coming in soon. We'll rebuild the motor. We're getting close, guys. Doesn't look like it, but I promise we are. All right, listen, please like, subscribe, ring the bell. God bless.